How to stop the power button from opening Gemini. This tutorial shows you how to get your old power menu shortcut back. First, open Settings. Tap Special Features. After that, tap Gestures. From there, tap Press and Hold Power button. At this point, you'll see options like Default Assistant or Power Menu. Select Power Menu instead of the Assistant option. In the next step, press and hold the power button to test it. Following this, you should now see the regular power menu instead of Gemini opening up. Once done, if Gemini still shows up elsewhere, open the Google app. From here, tap your profile picture in the top right, then tap Settings. At this stage, tap Google Assistant, then tap General. Toggle off Gemini and tap Turn Off when the pop-up appears. Keep in mind, some phones tie the power button shortcut directly to whichever app is set as the default assistant, so changing this gesture setting is usually what fixes it. Finally, restart your phone to lock in the change. And that's it. If this guide helped you stop the power button from opening Gemini, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.